Slap on the new wheels straight from Japan on my R34 Skyline.
Goodbye, 57 DRs. Hello, Workmeisters.
Oh my god. This wheel setup goes freaking crazy on the car. It complements the blue so much. Tell me that's not hot boy as fuck. Perfect wheel specs. We just need to lower it a little bit more and she'll be sitting perfect. Oh my god. This thing is gonna look so good when we drop it. Adjusting this is super easy. You just loosen this collar up right here. God, I love having new suspension that's not seized. Look how easy this is moving. All right, time to slap the wheels back on the car. Bro, this fitment, chef's freaking kiss. Look at this. Tell me this isn't absolutely perfect. Oh my god, I cannot be any happier with this fitment. This is so good. I'm so hyped right now.
We gonna do some sketchy shit. Do-da, do-da. Are we rubbing? Am I rubbing it off?
We have figured out the perfect wheel fitment for my Nissan Skyline. The blue with the polish and the silver faces. Ooh wee. And then we have the rears with the deeper dish. Look at that. Oh my god.